Today, we're going to talk about something super important, foods that can help prevent cancer. Yep, you heard that right. Some foods have special powers that might help your body stay healthy and strong. So let's jump right into it and learn about 10 amazing foods that could help keep cancer at bay. 1. Broccoli. This green, tree-like veggie is packed with something called sulforaphane. That's a big word, but all you need to know is that it's a superhero when it comes to protecting your cells from damage. Studies have shown that sulforaphane may help reduce the risk of certain cancers like breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Number 2, berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. These little guys are bursting with antioxidants. Antioxidants are like the body's defense team. They help protect your cells from getting damaged by nasty things called free radicals, which can lead to cancer. Whether you eat them fresh, throw them in a smoothie, or add them to your cereal, berries are a delicious way to give your body a cancer-fighting boost. 3. Garlic. It might make your breath smell a bit, but it's totally worth it. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which has been shown to help kill cancer cells in some studies. Add garlic to your meals, whether it's in pasta, stir fries, or roasted veggies, and give your body some extra protection. 4. Turmeric. Have you ever heard of turmeric or curcuma? It's that bright yellow spice often used in curry. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that may help stop cancer cells from growing. Sprinkle some turmeric in your dishes or make a warm turmeric latte to enjoy its benefits. 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are next on our list. These greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Plus, they contain something called carotenoids, which are known to protect cells from harmful substances that could cause cancer. Try to include a serving of leafy greens in your diet every day for a powerful health boost. 6. Tomatoes. They aren't just tasty, they're also full of lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Whether you enjoy them raw, in a sauce, or as part of your favorite dishes, tomatoes are a great way to help protect your health. 7. Nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are small but mighty. They contain healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which are important for keeping your cells healthy and reducing cancer risk. Snack on a handful of nuts, or add seeds to your meals for an easy and tasty way to stay healthy. 8. Green tea. Green tea is another awesome option. It's loaded with catechins, which are antioxidants that can help prevent cell damage and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Sip on a cup of green tea daily to give your body some extra protection. 9. Carrots. Carrots aren't just good for your eyes. They're good for fighting cancer too. They contain beta-carotene, an antioxidant that's been linked to lower risks of several types of cancer. Munch on carrots as a snack or add them to salads and soups for a crunchy, cancer-fighting treat. 10. Whole grains. Last but not least, let's talk about whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These grains are packed with fiber, which helps keep your digestive system healthy and may lower the risk of colon cancer. Swap out refined grains for whole grains to make your meals healthier and give your body the fiber it needs. And there you have it, 10 amazing foods that can help prevent cancer. Remember, eating a balanced diet filled with a variety of these foods is a great way to support your overall health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, stock up on these cancer-fighting superfoods. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.